Welcome back to the Mushman channel. On location again today, we got a couple of different Yamaha hammers. This one, it says Zoo Access. So Zoo must have owned it. Low mileage, low usage, both of them. This one we put new tires on already. It's got the Serwa. They're redoing like the old school tires, pretty awesome. And this thing, I thought I had a video going of I didn't have any spark. Go figure. Like a lot of my videos these days. Nothing has spark anymore. So I had the stator off of it. Replaced the the regular coil. And then I had to replace the pickup coil as well. And we have spark. But guess what? There's no fuel because these things haven't run in how many years. It's the same thing as that ATC 70s that we're doing. So up on the bench, I almost started without you. I thought I had a video of doing all that. I soldered, I had shrink wrap, looked good. Anyways, repair kit is for a YB, I think it's a Timberwolf YB 250, so I can't utilize the main jets. We're just going to reuse these jets, hopefully. And it's going to be awesome. Mostly the needle and seat because this carburetor, it didn't get fuel initially and then it sat over the weekend and then there was fuel in there, but it's just not right. And that fuel smells like crap again. Anyways, let's finish taking this thing apart. Brand new battery, ain't even charged. Okay, you think you go buy a brand new battery, it would be charged up. We got the Optimate 3 on there. I don't know if you guys ever seen one of these, but it's pretty awesome. With an old battery, it'll try to save it. It's got some sort of a special proprietary thing. You have to look them up, Google them. I was sold on by a guy when I worked at a Polaris dealership, because Polaris will eat a battery big time. Okay, so I'm going to pull start it. I had to take the recoil off and just clearance it a little bit from being worn. The arm was sticking down, so when you pulled it, it wasn't catching. So let's see how many times we get it this time. Ooh, yeah. It wants to do something. There we go. Open the door. Yeah, that thing went great. For some reason the light switch is stuck on, but hell yeah. Sweet. As much as I want to use Scotch locks or butt connectors, I'm going to solder. So I'm just trying to figure out how I can get you guys the best shot. Let me see what I can do here. All right, got that all together. Black tape, electrical tape together. Let's see if I can get this. I got 16 minutes worth of
memory card
left, so just like in many of these old junkers, critter found its way into the airbox. You can see he was munching on it. It's cool, I've got the screen and everything. On the other one, we do not have the screen. But yeah, so I vacuumed out the vacuumed that all out, and I found a little critter, our little buddy. I can't fit you. I mean, this thing is just crispy. Okay, I gotta take him out. Thanks for the subscribers. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Pop wheelies.